Hey guys, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. I welcome all of you at my channel Computer Code. So let's get started. So today our topic, we are going to create a new application that the application name is Wallpaper App. We are going to create our app like this. I was testing, and this is the application. We are using Unsplash, and we are using this application to use. We are going to create this kind of application, and we use in our app, and we backend we using Unsplash developer account, and they will give us a free API to display these random images on our app. So let's get started. So I simply just create a dummy project, and just I configure it. For state management I using a getx. This is on the latest version. As you see, so Google Fonts I am using the dynamic color, provide the dynamic color of the app. So first of all, I will install and display how it's look like. So first of all, I create a new splash screen. So currently I don't have any splash logo. For that we just leave it now, and next lecture I will add splash icon and do it. So on the main screen I will configure something that is dynamic color binding, and the gesture, and get material app, the name of the wallpaper, and I set here dynamic theme because I want to the app bar color, or app color, primary color, or other colors are also changed dynamically. When the my wallpaper was changed, it will get color and change the app colors automatically. So it's going on install. So in the values folder I create a names route for routing, and here is route screen, and in the constant there is here is a color scheme, but I am not using it. So because I am using dynamic color, so we can just remove it. We don't need this because we are using dynamic color scheme. So this is the style class. The style class is regular and bold size of the text. Different size, it's going up to 24 size. If we need more, then we can add it. So this is our supply screen. I will show you. This is our supply screen that I created. After that, today I will teach you how we can in the supply screen we don't need app bar. Okay, so I remove it and control S, as you see, and first of all I have to small it to display wider over here. So while until I need changes so that you can easily see it. And the text style here is, I just remove it, the name of styles dot regular bold, bold 20, and the text color. Okay, so I don't need to give text color, it will automatically get provide. I think I default provide black color, so I control as this, so it will nothing visible here. It was hot reloaded. Okay, so I need to remove debug. I put here false, mean it is not in debug mode, it will remove it automatically. Okay, so first of all I have to need to create a new screen. The screen name is home screen, and I will import here Flutter material and the stateless class home screen. So here we go. I am going to create a scaffold body app bar and app bar. This is our app bar. So we need to export it inside, and we used it on different screens, so we can modify it. I just go to refactor and extract method, the name of custom app bar. I will cut it here, and here I create a new folder. Common widgets. So here I create a class app bar. Okay, so I rename it. So I just paste it here, app bar. So I just pass it text, that is title. So I make it optional if you don't want send, so I just pass here title, and I remove it. The default value of title is empty string, and the style is styles dot regular 14. If you want this, you can use it, or if you want pass here widget, you can pass widget. Most of the time we need to pass just only a text, or most of the time we pass here a widget. So well, depend on your need, what you actually want. So for that we use it. I just set here and set title home screen. I set here home screen, and the center is home screen is working. So first of all we need to call a body. So I create here a class widget get body. I'm just going separate this body. Okay, so what's wrong it? Okay, this is missing. Widget get body. I'm just getting the body. I'm just getting the body and return the grid view dot builder, and here is need some two things: grid delegate and item builder. So I will provide here item count 10. So grid delegate, that is, and item builder it will provide also. My is working. Context and index pass here, and I just set here semicolon, and we will return a container. Okay, hopefully you will get the point that I am going to use it. So after that body I just close it and pass here get body. So I set it const and see how it's look like. We don't need to call here container, because here we using a network image that we have created a widget, and I will tell you how we can using a placeholder if their network image is coming out downloading. So here we call card, the card, and the child is Flutter logo. So I set here const. Okay, so what I need to home screen, first of all I have to go named routes. Here is no home already initialized, so I go to routes and I will just duplicate it and pass here home screen. So we need to import it. and after splash we call here home, and here is semicolon with I just added. And on the splash screen, as usual, because this is stateful, I called init state, and after the init state I call here timer const duration seconds 2 and set semicolon, as because we are using state management of getx, so we are routing get dot of named, and we need to import it of named routes. I just set here named routes dot home. So we need to import it named route, and simply I just restart our app. The name of app is wallpaper. As you see, that's the thing that we exactly want, so it will done here. Here is our home screen. So okay, so I just need to wrap it padding dot symmetric horizontal 20. So now it's look like beautiful. If you see, I am scrolling up, so the app bar color is changed. If I am on the top, the app bar color is by default white. So I am scrolling up. So this is the material 3 that are provided color. So in the next lecture we are going to create Unsplash developer account. So here is our Unsplash developer account. We are going to create our register as a developer, and we can see how we can get these are dynamic image on different ways and how we can display in our app. So here is our we will get different daily random images and the documentation. The setting up application get random photos. As you see, this is a different way of using in Android, because we are going to create Android. As iOS application we are use it. So get, post and put, delete, if we can use it for different kind of work. So person who did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe to watch this kind of video. And this is the first part of the first part of the app. In the second part we are going to create account, and in the third part we are finalizing our app and make it to ready to publish on Play Store. Thanks for watching. The person who did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe.